Ricardo, what me tell you about making the list them? What you mean? Salt beer done, the Betty milk finish, all the egg finish. Somebody come here, come buy egg, I never have no egg for sale give them. All supper gen finish. Ricardo, please, me I beg you not make that mistake there again. You have to write down the list so I can make the order. Look how much thing, the shop look empty. I'ma tell you if you do it. Alright, just don't make that mistake there again, alright? I just pay a football they on female. Watch out. All empty. Jesus!
Then you girl, I make you look for me like I sit up is up.
Shepherd, because I never see when you come in.
Are you me come for talk to?
Oh, alright. I could go inside.
Did I make for your heart a beat so hard, then, girl?
My heart, Shepherd, my heart now beat.
So, go here. So that means you're dead?
No, I mean, my heart now beat more than the normal.
Really, girl? A word to the wise. No practice lie, yeah? You know fit you.
Alright, to tell you the truth, Shepherd, when I see you, I feel afraid.
Go here. For what?
I just think you're going to give me bad news.
Oh, I see. So me is the bearer of bad news. And me are the bad news bearer.
No, well, Shepherd, how you do? A long time I see you.
Don't really girl lie. Well, me hearty.
And Mildred?
She hearty too.
So what's this visit about, Shepherd?
Well, me tell you. And you may come to talk too.
Not good.
Well, it's not what you think. I will talk to you about that later. Tell me something. What you know about this stick stock sitting?
Stick stack?
Stick stocks? They happen when they're on phone. They sit where people chat on every day, sitting like Instagram, yeah?
Oh, TikTok.
They said something. Stick stock.
Shepherd, it's TikTok.
What? Like a TikTok too?
No, TikTok is the game, but what me I tell you about is the app.
They know they said take me a talk. The hops, the happen, the whatever it is.
Alright. But Shepherd, what you do with TikTok?
Oh, kiss out me caramba. How? Me no got stick stock face. Me no got stick stock body.
My apologies, sir. Because the truth is, everybody dey on TikTok now.
Well, you know say Mildred Grand Bikini did show me smelly on it. Say them a give people message. But it's their fault them a tell the people, you know.
I truly not Shepherd, because I'm a holy phobia. I mean, spiritual healer.
Look here, Lily girl. You fi call a spade, you know. Somebody all voodoo specialists. They're a magician. Oh, necromancy walker! What if I start to preach? I might not top. I tell you, but up more 10 dog. What?
You know for about 10 dog. You can relax and calm down, you know for preach. You want some for drink?
Long time.
Me go get some for drink for you.
Why like me rotten? No children see me dressing in silk or something. Oh.